This restaurant looks beautiful tonight. I feel excited and slightly curious.
I wanted a special place where we could create new memories. Good evening. Welcome. Do you have a reservation this evening? Yes, reservation under Daniel Parker. Table for two, please.
Thank you. We have several seating options available tonight.
Do you have a table near a window with city view? Do you also have seating upstairs where it might feel quieter?
Yes, the balcony area is more private and has beautiful views. Upstairs sounds romantic. I would love somewhere calm to talk.
Then let's choose upstairs. Tonight should feel relaxed and meaningful.
Can I sit here facing the city lights tonight?
Of course. I want you to enjoy every moment fully.
This feels perfect. You planned everything so thoughtfully again.
I just wanted you to feel comfortable and happy tonight. Are you ready to order, or would you like more recommendations first? Could you suggest something popular that guests usually enjoy here? Certainly. Our signature steak is very popular. It comes with roasted vegetables.
That sounds delicious. Is the salmon also fresh and lightly seasoned?
If I order steak medium rare, will it still be tender? Yes, sir. Medium rare keeps the flavor juicy and soft.
Then I will choose grilled salmon with a small side salad.
Perfect. Would you like soup or bread before the main course? Yes, please bring us some warm bread while we wait. Certainly. I will bring fresh bread from the kitchen.
That sounds wonderful. I like how professional the service feels in this restaurant.
Yes, it makes the whole evening feel more comfortable. Here is your fresh bread. Would you like more water or lemon?
Yes, please. Could you refill our glasses and add extra lemon slices?
Excuse me, could you tell me where the restroom is located? Certainly, sir. It is downstairs near the bar on the left.
This bread tastes amazing. It is warm and very soft.
Save some space. Our main dishes will arrive very soon. Sorry, how long will the main course take to prepare? Around 5 more minutes. The kitchen is finishing your order.
This view is incredible.
It really is. Here is your steak and grilled salmon. Please enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Everything looks beautiful and smells delicious. Could we have some extra sauce for the salmon, please?
I will bring lemon butter sauce right away. Excuse me, may we have a few more napkins? Certainly, I will bring fresh napkins immediately for you. Thank you.
This salmon is perfectly cooked. I really love the flavor.
My steak is excellent too. We chose the right restaurant tonight.
The lights are changing. Maybe someone is celebrating something special.
Yes, it feels like the atmosphere suddenly became more romantic.
That cake looks romantic. Do you think it is a proposal?
It might be. Let's watch quietly while we finish eating.
Congratulations, Sarah. Will you marry me tonight?
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I thought that moment was meant for us. That was embarrassing. Could we have more water, please?
Of course, I will refill your glasses right away. We might not finish everything. Do you offer takeaway boxes? Yes, sir. I can prepare a box for any leftovers. Would you like dessert or coffee before the bill tonight?
Maybe one dessert to share. What do you recommend?
Our cheesecake is very popular with couples celebrating special occasions. That sounds perfect. 1 cheesecake and 2 cappuccinos, please. Here is your cheesecake and cappuccino. There is something I want to ask you before we leave.
Daniel, you are starting to make me nervous now.
Lily, you are the best part of my life. Will you marry me?
Oh my God, I cannot believe this is really happening. Yes, of course I will. I have been waiting for this moment.
I promise to love you and support your dreams forever. This dessert is from the restaurant to celebrate your engagement.
Let's take a photo to remember this unforgettable evening.
Good idea.
Your smile right now is absolutely priceless. This cake tastes sweeter because something magical just happened.
Everything feels sweeter when love becomes a real promise. Could we have the bill whenever you are ready, please? Certainly, sir. I will bring it immediately for you.
I still cannot stop looking at this beautiful ring tonight.
Here is your bill whenever you are ready. No rush tonight.
Thank you. Could I pay by card or mobile payment?
Everything looks correct. The service charge is already included.
The experience was worth every dollar we spent tonight.
Would you like to add a small tip for the excellent service?
Yes, they truly helped make tonight unforgettable.
Thank you for giving us such a wonderful table tonight.
It was our pleasure. Congratulations on your engagement. I will remember this skyline every time I look at my ring.
Then this city will always be part of our love story.